8. Okay, so we have the shape here going down. Okay, we have 12, 10, and 8, and that's all in centimeters. Okay. So, keeping symmetry in mind, what sides are exactly the same on that shape? Sorry? Well, the top rectangle and the bottom rectangle, they're exactly the same rectangle. Okay. The left side and the right side are also the exact same. You also have a front and a back. Okay. So you're looking at symmetry to help you. So as you're looking at the rectangle, you can see that you don't have to find 6 different pieces. You can find a top and a bottom. What's the dimensions of the top and the bottom? Pardon me? 8 and 10. And since there's 2 of them, what should we do? Times it by 2. Okay. So what is that? 160. Don't forget the times 2 part. Okay, left and the right. So the left side or the right side would be 8 times 12, which is 96. And we have 2 of them. So what is that? 180, 192. Was it 192? All right. The front and the back. The front would be 10 times 12, and there's 2 of them. So what do we have? 240. Okay. Add them all up. Okay. $592. 592 centimeters squared. There you go. All right. Any questions about that? Yes. You don't? Oh, that's right. Hold on for a second here. I'll grab. All right. So there we have rectangular prism. Now, triangular prism, you're going to have to draw. A couple different ways of drawing it. Let's start by drawing a triangle in the front. Okay. We're going to have 2 lines going back at angles. And yes, drawing is part of math. It's spatial geometry. Okay, and going down. Okay. Now what you can do if you want for lines you can't see but are there, you can do dashed lines to complete your triangle. And then connect it right there. Okay. So you get a good 3D shape. Art by Barker. See? Work all parts of your brain. Okay. So let's put some numbers on there. Let's say this is 8. This is 10. Let's say it is an isosceles triangle. Do you know what isosceles means? 2 equal sides. Okay. So these sides here are equal. Let's say that this is 5. Okay. Oh, we're not going to make this too hard on you. I'll even tell you a fake height. Normally you have to calculate that doing Pythagoras, but I'm going to be nice today. 5 and 4. Well, I know exactly what it'd be. It'd be 3. There you go. Okay. So for this one, I'm just going to go grab the shape just to show you. Triangles, sounds good. Okay, so we have 2 triangles. So let's find the area of one. The area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. Yes, write the formula. Don't be so lazy. And then we substitute in. Okay, so you might often hear me say FSS. Formula, substitute, then solve. So here we have base of 8, height of 3 divided by 2. So the area equals what? Now, you can go 8 divided by 2 at the beginning to give you 4, and 4 times 3 gives you 12. So you could go 4 times 3 because of the 8 divided by 2 part, or you could go 24 divided by 2, which is 12. Okay, so as you're doing this, it's your choice on when you want to divide by 2. Okay, sometimes that helps you dividing early. Okay. So, are we done? Why? Yes, this is just one triangle. Okay, so there's other pieces, but there's 2 triangles. So the total for the shape is 24. Okay, one triangle is 12. We have 2 of them. All right, so then let's label what else we're going to find next. What are we going to find next? Oh, I'm going to choose Christina. What are we going to find next? Which one? Sure. Okay, so let's label it side rectangle. And let's use rectangles because what do we know, Christina? Do the same. Awesome. Okay, so area equals length times width. And what are the dimensions? 5 and 10. Awesome. So formula, substitute, solve, and we get 50. And what should we do now? Times 2. Okay, so we get 100. Okay, good. You know what? No. I'll tell you what to write down at the end. Okay. Good. Are we done? No. What else? Bottom. Okay, so the bottom rectangle. Good. Notice how I'm giving my work a little bit of a label. It makes it nice and easy. Okay. Bottom rectangle, area equals length times width. Area equals 8 times 10. Area equals 80. And then we should times it by 2. So we get 160. Oh, what do you mean? I don't get it. Yeah, okay, so there's only one. So double check, pay attention. Okay, it's not times by 2 for this one. So just watch your shape, and that's going to be really important next couple days as these get a little bit harder. Okay, then we can do area total. We can just find a total somewhere, add them all up. 24 plus 100 plus 80 equals 204? Yeah. Awesome. Now, units, what should we write down? Units squared. So if we don't have anything, we just write down units squared. Okay? So that's meters, it's meters squared, centimeters squared, etc., etc. Good. Any questions? Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You guys ready for a quiz today? What do you think? Sure? Yeah. No? Yeah? Yeah. No? Yes? No? Yes? We've got lots of time today. I know it's a 5-period day, so let me check and see if we have time. I'll let you get started on your homework. Do you have the sheet? Fire drill, drill, in the double A block.
Double art. What? Double art. I like having double jigs.
Okay. So what I want you to do right now, eyes. When I say go, I want you to just wait. Stop moving. Pay attention. Continues. Thanks. So on this page here, this is just some notes. Now this is a special shape. It's a grocery bag. Right? Talking about surface area. You know, if you're making grocery bags, that's all surface area is. For a grocery bag, what's kind of special about that one?
They don't have a top.
No top. Okay. So always keep looking for those kind of sections where you slightly change the shape. Okay. You're going to read this. They'll show you a different way of calculating the surface area. They, I think, use the formula. I really hate using a formula. I think it's a real bad idea. Because as soon as you get one of those exceptional shapes, you're done. You don't really quite get it. Okay, but it's good to see them do different work, because you need to recognize different work as well. Okay, there's a couple pages. Then here says exercise. It has some questions. I want you to answer those. But then keep reading, keep reading. Now, triangular prism can get a little bit harder when you get different shapes. And right over here, you have your work and you have your answers. Not a lot of questions for today. That's kind of why I like to throw a quiz in today if I can. A simple one, simple shapes. Any questions? Okay, begin, go. Sorry. Yeah.
When you were pulling out the stuff,
Yeah, so start
we
reading there.
just do this,
Yeah, read.
this, and this.
Yeah, but what you only, if you're reading, except your work is answer these questions. And then
Anything else, or it's just the answers to check out?